Hi everyone. Today I want to share an issue I faced after upgrading from Pinnacle Studio Ultimate 25 to Ultimate 26, and how I managed to fix it. After the upgrade, the software launched fine, but the video preview wasn't working properly. Instead of a normal preview, I only saw a distorted screen with strange colors. Like this. This issue is related to the graphics card settings. Pinnacle Studio 26 handles GPU acceleration a bit differently than version 25, so the default settings can sometimes cause preview display errors. Here's what worked for me. Open your graphics card control panel, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel depending on your GPU. Go to the 3D settings or graphics settings and find Pinnacle Studio in the program list. Set the rendering option to high performance GPU. Save the settings and restart Pinnacle Studio. After doing this, the preview display worked perfectly again. I hope this helps if you're facing the same issue. If you found another fix, feel free to share it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.